Want to know how to not pay taxes when it comes to investing in real estate? You have your amazing options of doing a 1031 exchange. A 1031 exchange gets its name from Section 1031 of the U.S. International Revenue Code, okay, which allows you to avoid paying capital gains taxes on when you sell your investment property and reinvest the proceeds from that property, right? Within certain time limits. You do have time limits, right? Within certain time limits in a property or properties of like kind and equal to or greater value. So if you want to sell a smaller building, roll it into a bigger building and not have to pay taxes on your, not have to pay capital gains, right? On all the money that you're making, you want to keep the money, keep it growing, put it into another building. 1031 exchange. The three primary 1031 exchange rules to follow are: replacement property should be of equal or greater value. So when you're taking your money out, you're putting your money into another property. That property should be equal or greater value to the property you just sold, okay? And replacement property must be identified within 45 days. So you don't just do this uncalculated. The best thing to do a 1031 exchange is you basically have to go out there, know some good realtors that got some good connections like DNA Realty Group, and you basically go, hey, where are the houses? Who's got the houses? You set them up, you look fast, you got to be out there looking at all of them right away so you can roll your money into something else. And replacement property must be purchased within 180 days. So you sell it, find a new one, right? Get an intermediary, and then you go in there and you purchase the property. Boom, you got your money in your pocket. See you later. On to the next one. Real estate life. 1031 exchanges.